Welcome back, this is Sanskriti and I study and today's topic is really interesting, so let's begin today's video. Today we are going to discuss on really interesting topic, so let's begin. So today we are going to discuss on the entertainment system, so let's start. So guys, we have also talked earlier about this, but today we are again going to talk about it. So let's start. So guys, in our India, there are a lot of entertainment systems in Japan or in other countries. Also, there are a lot of entertainment system. So today we are gonna discuss about the most popular entertainment system in different countries. So let's start. So guys, first let's begin with the India. So in India, a lot of people likes to watch movies or like action movies, horror movies, and a lot of types of movies in India. Also, they likes to listen the music, but not classical. They likes to listen Western music. In India, at Maharashtra, no one likes मतलब, uh, uh, in little in little amount the people like classical music, and a lot of people likes Western music. Even I like classical music. I'm a singer. Okay, fine. So when we thought about the Japan, what will happens in Japan? We all of us knows about the Japan. Japan is the most busiest country in the world. So what happens with Japan? So guys, nothing happens with Japan. Japan also has the entertainment system, as like we have a lot of festivals in which we celebrated in India, as like Diwali, Holi, and a lot of us. So as like that. The Japanese people also have that festivals, and they celebrate that festival in the Western type, in their old type, and they enjoy that, and that is the most popular entertainment system of Japan, and they are such a beautiful. The whole ladies wear the Japanese dress, and the also the Jains also wear the Japanese dress, and a lot of things about their festivals. So China is also one country, and we also have to talk about China. And when we talked about the China, so you just say that the you just say we have to say that the China's most popular entertainment system is that making fool to the other countries, but not like that. China also has one their most popular entertainment system, which called the classical music of China. Yes, classical music of China. So a lot of people likes to listen the classical music of China, and uh, in China the people loves the peace, and they loves to rest. Means they when they are too much tired, so they have to listen songs. And when they thoughts about the songs, so only one type of songs came in front of them, just like classical songs. So when we thought about next country, which is America. So America's people likes to go in bars and pubs and clubhouses, and they likes to do dance there. They likes to do parties or a lot of things like that. So the next country, which is France. So when we thought about the France, so just only one thing click in our mind, that the France people likes to travel, or they likes to go on long drives, and a lot of things likes they likes to do. They also likes to go on long drives, and to move on, they on their weekends they doesn't live in their at their home. They go outside and enjoy their weekends, and also do party with their friends. So the next country which we are going to talk about, the Mauritius. So Mauritius peoples loves the nature, and the entertainment system of Mauritius is the trees. And because when you go to Mauritius, you have to see the nature of Mauritius, you have to see the trees and everything of Mauritius. It is too much beautiful. So this was the list of the most popular countries and the entertainment system of that countries. So I hope it was just amazing and interesting. So if you like today's video, hit like to today's video and subscribe to my channel, and thank you.